I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
Are you looking for a way to make money online but don't know where to start? Affiliate marketing might be the answer you've been searching for. In this post, we'll walk you through the steps to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. This is a topic or area that you're passionate about and have some knowledge of. It could be anything from fitness to beauty to finance. When selecting a niche, think about what you enjoy and what you could talk about for hours. Step 2. Find an affiliate program. Once you have selected a niche, the next step is to find an affiliate program that offers products or services related to your niche. There are many affiliate programs available, so take some time to research and find one that aligns with your niche and values. Step 3. Join the affiliate program. After you've found a suitable affiliate program, you need to sign up and create an account. Most affiliate programs are free to join, but some may require a fee. Step 4. Select the products to promote. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you can choose the products that you want to promote. Look for products that you believe in and that would be helpful to your audience. Step 5. Create a content strategy. The next step is to create a content strategy that will help you promote the products to your target audience. It could be through blog posts, social media, or video content. Create content that is valuable, informative, and engaging to your audience. Step 6. Start promoting the products. Finally, you can start promoting the products to your audience and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Share your affiliate link on your website, social media channels, and email list. Make sure to disclose that you are using an affiliate link. Remember that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, time, and patience to succeed. But if you stay committed and follow these steps, you can earn a substantial income through affiliate marketing. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. By choosing a niche, finding an affiliate program, selecting products to promote, creating a content strategy, and promoting the products, you can start your affiliate marketing journey today.
We want you on our team, so click the link below to join us today.